Amazon has made its own e-readers, tablets, set-top boxes, and now its very first phone. Those other devices have fared well. But does Amazon have what it takes to build the device you use more than any other? We've used Amazon's phone for a couple weeks now, and our opinion has changed a few times. But we think we have the answer. Bucking the trend toward bigger and bigger phones. Amazon stuck with a 4.7-inch screen for the Fire Phone, which makes it feel positively small after handling Samsung's Galaxy S5 or LG SG3. It will fit well in most hands. And for those more accustomed to the iPhone's 4-inch screen, the Fire Phone will be a lot more comfortable, size-wise, than most high-end Android phones. The smaller size also effectively disguises the somewhat low resolution of 1280 by 720 most people want to notice. Amazon's choice to glue a piece of glass to the back of the phone is puzzling. And a rubberized edge surrounds the screen, joined by a single home button like an iPhone or Galaxy phone. And glass covers the phone's back like an iPhone 4S or which is just a silly choice made in the name of design over functionality. The groove between the comfortably tapered rubber edge of the phone and the glass makes it slightly uncomfortable to hold, while the slippery glass also causes it to phantom slide when you set it down on smooth surfaces. We've watched it almost slide off a desk more than once, which would shatter the front and back. The home button is easy enough to press, but to reach the power button on the top left of the phone, you'll have to shimmy your hand around, making it more likely you'll drop your $650 new phone. The camera button is also parked uncomfortably close to the volume rocker, which caused us to accidentally trigger it sometimes when we tried to turn the volume down. Hopefully Amazon will think through button placement more next time. If you've used a Kindle Fire tablet, the Fire Phone will feel very familiar. The interface is a lot easier to figure out than your typical Android phone. Though the iPhone still has an edge, it has a similar full-screen carousel, which lets you swipe through big icons of recently used apps, with each app taking up the entire